So, kamusta naman kayo, guys? What the hell? So, wait, nag-aantay lang ako ng kalaro. Kasi, pero di pa nag-reply yung mga inaya ko maglaro. May echo pa din? Ano ba yun mawala, guys? Weird. How do I fix this? I don't know. Tansy, thank you po sa heart me. I think I got a... What about now? Hello? But then, hindi nyo maridinig yung ano. Can you hear the ano? Can you hear me? Can you hear the game sounds? Ito na lang palagi yung problem. Ayoko na. Wag na. Advanced settings. Bayan, magsusolo na nga lang ako. Sige. Magsusolo na lang ako. Wait, ano ba sabi ng mga friends ko? Maghintay na natin. Wow, thank you, Shannon. Wow, grabe naman si Shannon. Thank you po. Appreciate it. Oh, may kalaro ako eh. 3 kami. Hindi pwede mag-rank pag 4. Pag 5 sana, okay. Kaso, ay grabe, pinakita ko yung profile ko. Ayun. Since na dapat pag ganyan, padala nyo ako ng skin. Ano ba? Tignan nga tayo ng skin. Ito gusto ko eh. Ay, hindi, joke. Happy na pala ako sa Florence skin ko. Tingnan mo yung skin ko, guys. So pretty. Oh. Yun. Thank you po sa nag-gift. So pretty. Diba? She's so pretty. Diba? Kahit na may... Wala nga ako nung ano eh. Ito. Kahit mahilig ako kay Cinema Roll. Narinig niyo ba yung audio or not? Like, I have no idea, I swear. Can you hear it? Wait, let me actually... Ay, narinig niyo ba yung audio? Hindi niyo pala narinig yung audio? Oh my God, that's so weird. Let me fix. Eh di, imamute ko na lang yung dito. Nakamute naman. Anyway. Hello? I don't understand. Eh di, hindi na ako mag-mic like this. Hello? Ba't kasi yung... Anyway. Ayoko na. Ang tagal. Faster, guys. I'm bored. Sana all my skin. Ano na? 5 minutes na. Ay, baka online na pala. Hindi pa. Well... Isa, di na ako Ay, kuya. Sorry, guys. But, anyway. Jimmy, do you know Kyrie? Yeah, of course. He's really famous. Okay na. That's good. Okay. Okay, let's invite my friends. Where's the other one? Grabe, bakit legend? Legend ba to? Bakit mababa lang ako? Where's the other one? Wait, ano ba yan? Let me message my other friend. Trio kasi kami. Anyway, ang tagal, nakakainis. Gusto ko na maglaro. Wait, habang naghihintay, magtingin muna tayo ng mga skin. Ito, nabili ko to. Itong summer.
Love and hope are the two greatest inventions.
Pero kung meron akong gusto na skin, bukod dito,
Let's make the whole world green and lively.
dito na. This time. But, happy na ako with this. Anyway, where's my friends? So tagal. Oh my god, I'm gonna call my friend. Twenty? Thank you sa heart me. Thank you guys. Diyan kinuha costume niya kay Chloe. Actually, nung papakulay ako ng buhok. Ano yung buhok gagawin ko? Oh my god. Where's my friend? Pwede naman. Ay, kasi mythic siya eh. Di classic na lang. Wala na akong na maglaro ng ML. Baliw. Sorry, ang tagal. Ako rin iinit na ako. Wait lang, ang tagal kasi, nakakainis. Sino ang pwedeng isali? Need 1 ml. Need 5. Yes, I'm tired. Halata po ba sa boses ko? I'm tired. Ba yan? Para saan yung follow sa ML? Nag-game na nga. Hello. Si Ate Andy. Let's call her. Let's call her. Ate Andy. What you doing? Do you wanna play ML? I'm streaming. Okay. See ya. Yay. Okay, bye. I love my other. Okay, so sali daw siya. Wait, ano man tell my other friend? Ako talaga. Anyway, tanan si Ate Andy. So, I am... Yeah. But, hindi pa naman siya sobrang malala. Like, kaya pa naman. Okay, so habang nag-intay, ano free? Share? Tapos, pabuhat. Ay, ako lang to guys. Ako lang to. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa ko sa buhay. Hello? Hindi naman pala tong... Hello, 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 hello. Mic. you guys, so you should give me gifts. Heh. Ayan na si Frosty. Okay, let's add her. Grabe naman yung pink ko, guys. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. What? Ako yata yun. Oopsie. Grabe naman yung pink ko. Hindi na nakakatuwa talaga. Game na! Yay! I'm so happy. Pa-legend ka pala. Hindi ko nga alam eh. Hindi ko man sila pakilaman. Broken balls. Arcade. Wait, ano balita? Talo ba yung... Sinong talo? Falcons or... Wait. Lock in. Please, ano daw? Ban pick? Ban. Sino ibaban ko, guys? 1-1. What? Ba't wala ako? What? What?
Your team is banning.
Lag na naman. Nani? Totoo ba? Ay, nako. Ito na naman tayo, guys. Ito rin yung problem niya last time. Wait. What else?
The enemy is picking.
Lag na naman. Thank you, Shannon, sa roses. Thank you also, Francis. Thank you. Oh my Lord.
Love and hope
Hello!
are the two
Pick a hero.
greatest inventions.
I am the sovereign of the abyss,
Let's
the
make the
slayer
whole
of
world
gods.
The enemy
green
is
and
picking.
lively.
Hana, Sancho,
Eh, di wag. Ba't ba ako nag... Hello? 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 Anyway.
I am not the
who's
only
next?
one
Ano ba? Wait,
bound by
lower
these
quality.
chains.
Sorry, medyo di ako marunong.
Only love and night are everlasting.
Ano, settings.
the night sky tells all.
The enemy is picking.
How do I do that?
Night falls. Let the killing begin.
Thank you, Francis. A heart me. Wait, how do I do that actually? I don't know. I have no idea. Sound effects. What?
Hope will find a way, even
Your
when all is
team
forlorn.
picking.
Anyway, never mind. I
I am more than a
use
weapon.
data on my phone. Oh wait. So who's this? Obsidia. Corin. Who's this? Esmeralda. Who's this? Julie. Okay. Matakot ka sa mukha ni Phoebus. Ay, oo. Pag Phoebus talaga. Eme. Hoy, ayos na. Okay.
Welcome to Mobile
Wait.
Legends.
Nakalimutan ko na ito.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Show 'em what you got, dude.
Lag na ba, guys? So, who's the jungle?
Today
Si
is
Ate Andy ba?
wonderful, and tomorrow will be even better.
Request backup.
Understood.
Yan, boss.
We are not fighting alone.
Eh, parang ngayon lang ako nakakita ng Obsidia. I mean, in-game. Kasi di ako naglalaro.
Make this bloom again.
Kainis, inano ko sa Angela.
Love is the dream come true of a tiny seed.
Wow!
The unknown world always fascinates me. This place is supposed to be an oasis,
Aw.
isn't it?
Iwanan ko na nga kayo dyan.
Nature loves everyone in a tough manner.
Or help ko ba sila dun? Okay. May tulong na ako sa turtle. Guard may humahabol sa akin.
I push through the earth and grow towards the sun.
Okay.
Understood.
Te, may tao sa likod ko!
Let's go, Jude. They need our help. Green is the color of hope. This world is full of things that I don't know.
What? Eh! Putok eh! Ay, kuya! Galing naman nun. Ano pangalan niya?
Slain.
Hellkurt. Yung mukhang ipis. Ano nga nagsabi nun? Na mukhang ipis daw.
Sorry.
My friend told me
It's
that
okay.
life
Hang in
is
there.
all about choices.
So, did we get the turtle?
On my way.
Okay. Eh, otok.
for all the flowers of all the tomorrow.
Wow! Lo, ba't na-refill yung buhay niya?
An enemy has been slain.
Hi.
Miracles may happen in every choice we make. You read my mind, Jill.
Lag pa din ba po?
Each flower
Ayun
is
lang.
the dream come true of a tiny seed.
An ally has been slain.
Mm. Eh? Let's help our friends.
Show them.
Oops, sa likod, ate. Sa likod. Wait, naglalag ako, pre. Yeah, naglalag pa rin.
Enemy double kill.
Pangit ka ng
For
wifi.
all the
Phone
flowers
voice.
of all the tomorrows.
Sayang, haha, NT. Oo,
Attack the turtle.
kainis.
Sorry.
We can still win.
Wait, I'm gonna help our friend. What's his name? Obsidian.
Request backup.
Wait.
Okay. Request backup.
Wait! Ano ba talaga? Saan ba ako pupunta? Ay, bakit
This place
butas
is
yung
supposed
wall?
to be an
Ay,
oasis,
broken walls nga, diba?
isn't it?
Parang ako lang. Broken.
Request backup.
Uy, joke lang. Oh my lord. Wait lang po, wait. Wait lang. Ayun, iniwan ako sa ere.
Do.
Okay lang. Kitang-kita. Okay lang, sanay na ako, guys.
Miracles may happen in
Baba ng
every
boses ko,
choice we
parang
make.
lalaki.
An ally
Wow.
has slain the turtle.
Grabe ka na, Ate Andy.
Well played.
Wait.
Your team
Wait, let's help
destroyed
our
the
friends.
turret.
Mali! Ano? Joke lang kasi! Visit! Ay! Yan. Nakakawa. Uy, puro ako namamatay!
Enemy has been
Hala,
slain.
nakakahiya. Hindi. Game na.
Double kill.
So, lag ako, guys. Lag.
Well done.
I push through the earth and grow towards the sun.
Achoo!
なぜ逃げる
What? Sino yung Cecilion? Saan ako pupunta? Parang walang nangyayari. Uy.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Eto sila.
We are not fighting alone.
Grabe na, ikaw? Hala ko! Namatay na naman ako! Ito talaga yung Phobius. Kanina niya pa ako pinapatay. Grabe. Okay lang. Kanina pa. O, tama na.
Shut
Wag na.
down. Double kill. Turret has been destroyed.
Anyways. Uy, seryo. Sorry, nag-warm up.
Slain.
Nag-warm up ako. Huh?
Gather at the Lord. Understood.
Paano tayo maglo-Lord Idol?
Today is wonderful, and tomorrow will be even better. Make this place bloom again.
Basta pag Phobius talaga eh. Masakit eh. Uy.
Let's go, Jew. They need our help.
Wow! Grabe guys. Ay! Mamatay na ako.
Superb control.
Eme, OA. Hindi pala ako tinutulong sa mga kakampi ko.
Slain.
That's insane. Ayoko na mag-ML kahit kailan.
Turret has been destroyed.
Dapat dinilit ko na to dati.
Ah, the unknown world always fascinates me.
Attack the Lord.
Okay.
Understood.
Eh? Naglalag talaga ako, guys.
Show them.
Ang lala! Guys! Hala, di ko sila makita.
Slain Lord.
Oh my lord. Oh, hindi ko makita. No heal, wait. Back god, he's habulling me.
Nature
Hala.
loves everyone in a tough manner.
Alis.
Turret is under attack.
Eh? Thank you, Kuya Edge.
Attack enemy lord.
Ay, ayan na pala.
Attack enemy lord.
Our turret is under attack.
Eh? Hello?
My friend
binasya
told me
ko.
that life is all about choices.
Our turret is under attack.
Show 'em what you got, dude.
Hello? Ay, go.
Superb control.
Ah! Hala, yun na naman yung phobia! Favorite niya talaga ako, no?
Our turret has been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Okay guys, bigyan na natin.
Kill.
Surrender na. Tapusin na natin to. Uy.
Double kill.
Hello.
Green is the color of hope.
Mahapdi na phobias. Talaga. Mahapdi talaga.
Are not fighting alone.
Sakit. Sobra.
Keep an eye on the map.
Sakit mo na. Phobias.
Through the earth and grow towards the sun.
Hala, yan na naman siya. Elke. The 80s guy.
Monster kill.
May iniwan ko sila dun. Sorry.
You read my mind.
Request backup.
Game.
Show 'em what you got, dude.
Initiate
Hey, wait. I wanna help them there.
Lord.
Huh?
Make this
Ayun, tapos na.
little
An ally has slain Lord.
What the hell? Nice! Okay, okay. What? Wait, this guy.
Double kill.
Nice.
Legendary.
Game, game. They're dead.
Follow lord.
Ay, hindi pala. Si Ipis.
This world is full of things.
Mali!
Team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret.
Wait lang.
Your team destroyed a
Nakapasok na
turret.
pala sila.
Legendary.
Ay, kuya! Halo! Namatay ako. Ayan na. Nanalo na tayo, guys. Wait! Grabe!
Team legendary. Double kill. Ally has been slain.
Eh? Eh?
Triple kill.
Ang sakit yung tubig. No! Masakit na talaga. Uy, grabe naman yun. Sino yun? Hindi ko nakita.
Victory.
Make the whole
Epic
world
comeback.
green and lively.
Okay, good job, teammates. Ayun. Eh? Eh? Okay. Game. Ayun. Ay, gusto ko to. Yung may clouds.
Please ban a
Diba?
hero.
Sinong binaban nyo, guys? I wanna use this. Sinong pwedeng iban? Help. Ay, ako ba?
Your team is banning.
Oopsie.
The enemy is picking.
For honor!
Yay!
Your team is picking.
Love and
Yay!
hope are the two greatest inventions.
Thank you.
I am more than
The
a
enemy is
weapon.
picking.
Let's play together.
Ay, ang cute. Hello. Meow. Meow. Ito pala yung mic, guys. Hindi ko alam bakit.
Test. Alpha is
Your
online.
team is picking.
Kamukha niya yung
Hana-
K-pop Demon
Sanjo.
Hunters. Si Hanabi. Ang tagal. Wait, ano balita? Sino manalo? Or hindi pa ba tapos?
This land is our homeland, and it will
enemy
soon
is
be our
picking.
burial ground.
I'm bound by nothing, be it family or destiny.
Need some stitches? I can help.
Your team is picking.
Hello? Last game siguro to, guys.
Hope will find a way, even when all is forlorn.
Low. Thank you, SNH, sa Heart Me, and Black Rapster sa Heart Me. Ano? What would you do when he said yes, yes would? Ha? Ano? Okay, game. Ay, maaga na naman ako bukas. Hindi na ako
enemy reaches the battlefield,
Oh my god, di ko na...
smash them. Backup.
Understood.
All troops deployed.
Wait. Okay.
It's my job to help people.
What? Wala na mag-grow.
Abracadabra! Keep smiling!
Request backup.
Pipa pipa!
Sipon. Ay, wait. Gusto ko mag-music. Wait. Pag namatay ako.
Launch attack.
Grabe naman yung pag namatay. Sige. I'm sleepy na, guys. 10 PM na kasi. Inaantok na ako by 10 PM. Kahit nagnap ako kanina ng isang oras. Kasi aga ko nagigising everyday.
Keep on smiling!
Launch attack.
Bagong buhay na. Yes.
On my way.
Eh? Wait, I'm gonna help them in the turtle.
First blood.
Ayun. Gusto ko mag-music. Para damang-dama yung pag-ML.
An enemy
Ay,
has
tapos
been
na.
slain.
Pa yan.
Request
Pati
double kill.
Wait, Angela pala ako na. Wait.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Yay!
Ally has been slain.
Ulti. Ote. Unicorn namin.
Got tangled up. Can you help me with that?
Eh? Hala! Sila po!
Papi papi boy!
Mabot ka, mabot ka.
Initiate retreat. You have slain an enemy. Ally has been slain.
Brilliant
On my way.
tanking. Great play.
Stop staring
Andun
at
sa...
me.
Sa grass.
That's a
Sa
neck
grass.
problem.
Ah! Eh. Anong ID number? 121. Saan ko nabili Infinix phone ko? Oh my god! Sa Infinix!
That's cooking.
Enemy missing.
Wait. Does Hanabi need help?
Papi papi boy!
We have... Oh no!
Pipa pipa!
Sa likod, bro.
Enemy has been slain. On my way. Double kill.
Nice! Good job.
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been
Ala, Jamie Yao, mamatay ka na! Wait lang.
Request backup. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Ay, mali! Bakit regen? Dapat Jamie na lang ako.
Enemy has been slain.
Oh, Hanabi! Game, isa pa! Ay, dalawa pala yun.
Keep on smiling! It's important!
An ally has slain the turtle.
Kailan ka kagad. Oh my god.
House is not ready.
Na ay! Guard, wait!
Killing spree.
Ano?
Launch
Malapit na, like, internship na lang ako.
Beep, beep, beep.
I'm taking my time.
Doctor calls me his little angel, but I can't fly. Abracadabra, keep smiling. Bappy, bappy, boom.
Hanabi!
Your team destroyed a turret.
Eh?
An enemy
Eh?
has been slain.
Sige! Ouch! Wait.
Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain. Killing spree. Shut down.
Ayun, ba't doon pumunta?
Drink my
Wala ka! Wait! Wait! Aww, namatay ako.
My daddy.
Anyway. I died. In the game.
An ally has been slain.
It's my job to help people.
Ah! Hala! Wait. Ang
I
saya.
can do all the chores. Except
Ally has been
Uy,
slain.
guys.
Request backup. Launch attack.
Bappy, bappy, boom.
Gather at the turtle.
Lapo. Grabe, oh. Oh my lord.
Superb control.
You have slain an enemy. Destroyed a turret.
Stay in the ground. Every day.
An enemy has
Nice, ate. Ate!
An ally has slain the turtle. Sorry.
Wait. This is kind of not
Ally has
safe.
been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Wait, kamot mo na ako mata, guys.
Stop staring at me. Watch out for neck problems. Keep on smiling. It's important.
Shut down.
Oh no! Kasalanan ko yata yun.
Abracadabra. Keep smiling.
Hello, help me, guys. Guys, medyo, yeah.
Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Our turret is under attack.
Did we win last game? Yeah, we did.
It's my job to help people.
Wala, o nga pala, flying clouds pala ito. Eh,
Geeky
I love this
The
map.
strings of my puppet got tangled up. Bappy, bappy, boom.
Ult is not ready. Rampage.
Eh?
I can do all the chores. Except cooking.
My god, muntik na ako dun.
You have slain an enemy.
Nice. Me.
Stay cheerful every
Anong
day.
laser? Ako,
Our
motor.
turret has been destroyed.
Wait, I wanna go. Ay!
Parang nating hawak.
Agoy! Grabe!
Doctor calls me Angel.
What the hell? That's insane. Ano yung bakit eh? Ang lakas kasi ng kalaban. No?
Initiate
Malakas ako.
retreat.
Joke lang guys. Hindi ako marunong na to. Binubuhat lang ako eh. Anyway.
Stop staring at me. Watch out for neck problems. Doctor calls me his little angel, but I can't fly. Stop staring at me. Watch out for neck problems. Papi, papi,
Mali.
boy.
Ayun, yung kalaban.
Initiate retreat. Enemy spotted.
Oh.
An enemy has been slain.
Brilliant tanking!
Enemy double kill.
That was amazing!
Thank you for everything.
Wait though. What's happening? Go ate Andy. Uy, wait lang. Guard, ayan na naman siya. Alo! Kita pala ako doon!
Our turret is under attack.
Cooking. Papi, papi, boy.
Game.
Doctor called me a little angel, but
Enemy has been
I
slain.
can't fly.
I go. I go.
Our turret is under attack.
This game is so fun.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ba't ang ginagawa ko sa buhay ko?
An enemy has been slain.
Tagal kasi mag... Wala na.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Is not ready.
Go! Labanan mo! Kaya mo yan!
It's my job to help people.
On my way. You have slain an enemy.
Papi, papi, boy.
Has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Guys, umipindot lang ako.
Backup. Okay.
Keep on smiling. It's important.
Sword Slayer.
Ay, go! Ang sakit! Mo na. Sakit mo na.
Kikikaka. The
Uy!
strings to my puppet
Iba na
got
yata
tangled
yung
up.
idol.
Can you help me with that?
Wait, I wanna go home first.
Stay in a good mood every day.
ako ang wais mo. Ikaw na ba ang Oh My Venus? Grabe. Sana kasing lakas ko din si Oh My Venus, no?
Follow Lord.
Hey, where's my friends? Let's go there. Anyway. Kahit ano na lang. Hindi ko na alam yung nangyayari, guys. Whoa, wait. Who's that over there? Hanabi!
Papi, papi, boom!
Nice! One more! One more!
Team destroyed the turret. Killing
Good job.
Stay in a good mood every day.
Ano ba yan? Not ready.
Ha!
Sino ang pwede? Ay, Diyos ko, Lord! Ayan na po sila. Ayan na po nga.
Watch out for next problem. Papi, papi, boom!
Ayoko na maglakad. Muntik na ako mamatay doon kasi hindi ako nakatingin.
destroyed the turret.
Mamatay. Hello! Wait. Stop the car. Naglalag ako. Ah! Ang lala! Wait lang!
Shut down. Legendary.
Palo naman. Palo ba o palo? Palo. Sakto lang, boss. Nakapikit pa ako na.
Legendary.
Ang tagal naman. Sino hero ko? Ay! Secret. Sino ko? Ano ako? Ako yung Hanabi. Joke lang. Wait. Sakay tayo sa cloud.
On my way.
Wee! Ay, ba't tumukumalan siya?
Initiate retreat.
Ah, wait. Let's help our friend.
Papi, papi, boom!
Ult is not ready.
Hey!
You have slain an enemy.
Ba't di namamatay yung Chang? Oh my God! Wait. Kala ko maiiwan na naman ako sa ere. Alam? Ay! Ayun na nga. Naiwan nga ako sa ere. Okay. Sanay na ako, guys. No, it's not my first time playing, but I'm not good, so it looks like it's my first time. Yes. Diba? Gusto ko matuto niyan eh.
An enemy has been slain.
Ang tagal naman ng game! 20 minutes!
Initiate retreat.
Ay, go.
Keep on smiling! Papi, papi, boom!
Launch attack.
Nako! Yan si Shelby! Ayan na naman siya. Ayoko dumikit dyan. Wait, mamatay na ba yung door? Ay, mamatay na.
Little angel, but
Ay, kuya.
fly.
Grabe naman.
That was amazing!
Initiate retreat.
I can do all the chores,
Legendary.
except cooking.
Wait, oy. Ayan.
The
Hindi na ako
strings of my puppet
makapag-type.
got tangled up.
Ally has been
Wait
slain.
lang.
An enemy has been slain.
Uy, idol. Uy. Uy, masakit ka na.
Papi, papi,
Shut down.
Ayun!
Ally has been enemy double kill.
calls me Angel.
Your team destroyed a turret.
End mo na. Ayan. Tagal 30 seconds pa. Pwede pa mag-music.
Launch attack.
Baka bingin ako. Baka bumagal pa yung wifi ko. Grabe guys, 22 minutes na yung game.
It's
Ano
my
to,
job to
MPA?
help people.
Please, I wanna go home.
Papi, papi, bullet!
Ayun, si Shelby. Uy, grabe. Grabe naman yung labo.
You have slain an enemy.
Kalahati yung bawas sa buhay ko, bro.
Papi, papi, bullet!
Lord.
Ay, go. Sorry guys. I gotta put me first.
Slain.
Namatay pa din.
Slayer! That was amazing!
Has been slain.
Ayun, tapos na. GG.
Victory!
Time na. Oy, uwi na ako, guys. Okay. Grabe. Grabe naman yung MVP. Okay. GG's. Ayun. Bye. Thank you, Skittle48 sa Wizard Hat. So you're awesome. Thank you, Heartless sa Miss
Revere the
Shuber.
abyss.
Thank
In
you,
my name
Alvin, sa Go
alone.
Popular, and sa Heartme. Thank you. Sorry, di ko nakita kanina. Nakafocus ako. Wait.
Selena, yet another sacrifice to the god of darkness. Only soul-wrenching pain can wake her from her ignorance.
Okay, guys. Uwi mo na akong bahay. Okay. Next time ulit, mag-live tayo. Okay na yung, ang tawag ito, live studio. Yay. Okay, uwi na ako, guys. What's my ID? Nasabihin ko kapag kapadala niya ng charing. Pwede sumali. Pwede kapag may galaxy. Joke lang. Okay, guys. Good night, everyone. And see you next time. Yeah, maaga na ako natutulog ngayon.
kill.
Bakit may bug?
Get back and initiate retreat. Attack. Mission accomplished. Thank you. Launch attack. Launch attack. Hey, a supply drop. Our turret has been destroyed. Request backup. Initiate retreat. Request backup. Blast off. Don't this.
Wala. Bigla naman siya, nag-lag siya. Grabe naman.
Monster kill.
Kumain ka na. Yes.
Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. The enemy has slain Lord. I think it's time to get serious. Blast off! Double kill.
Wait, may push lang ako. Parang walang kwenta na ba itong game na to?
Attack!
Parang may mali.
Superb healing.
Turret is under attack. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret.
Sige. Sige lang.
Initiate retreat. Get back and fight.
Sige, may isang flower. Ayun nga.
Attack. Change the world as I see fit.
Wait lang, ate ko. Mamamatay ka talaga dyan.
Don't this.
Di ba namatay lang? Ay, namatay yan ba yung tatlo? Hindi mo kasi inaantay.
Launch attack. Launch enemy. This will earn me a shiny damage.
Yun ang ganti ng api.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ano ba yan?
Clear up left. Our turret is under attack. Destroyed a turret. Initiate retreat. Charlie and Blue.
Ha 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 ha.
Accomplished.
Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. It's me, Kimi Kimi.
Initiate retreat.
Naman.
Ult is not ready. Wonder if
Boys.
Hero has any new tech for me to play with. Well, I might blast
Let's
in the dark.
kill someone. Uy!
It's not been destroyed. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Initiate retreat. Our turret has been destroyed. Kimmy's back to fight.
May info na ako nasaan yung Twice today. Alam ko nasa BBC na sila, nasa hotel na sila, pero hindi ko kakalat. Ba't ko kakalat?
My unit's always complaining about being left behind. Maybe I should attack. Enemy has been slain. Only room for combat essentials.
Mag-feather daw ako sa
My greatest accomplishment.
Hit na.
Launch attack! An enemy has been slain. Our base is under attack.
Ay,
Legendary!
taki siya ma. Palong-palo. Okay lang yan, nakikita ko naman. Na nilalaman ko yung base.
Launch attack!
Then you came, brought me out of the shell, make the world to me. And before I knew, there was...
Initiate retreat!
Ano daw? Paano po mag-live may mabektin? Pag may 50 followers ko na ito or 1,000, saka lang magiging eligible sa live. Ay, para mag-live. Depende sa account. Minsan kasi pag business account, para 1,000.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy double kill. Initiate retreat.
Ay, grabe siya. Hindi masakit. Grabe yung damage ko. Parang lahat ay
Pain is my
babanggain.
special gift just for you.
Wait.
I shall change the world as I see fit. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Lah! Nangyari.
Launch attack. Hey, a supply drop. Attack the Lord. I won't accept anything short of absolute victory.
Check niyo mo na ako feeling ko.
Launch attack.
Next week, pwede ka?
The enemy has slain Lord.
Kasi ako hindi ako pwede na rin.
Initiate retreat.
Buhay tayong lahat!
Under attack. Slain.
Galing, no? Sakto.
Your turret is under attack. I'll let my initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Mali!
This'll earn me a shiny new medal.
Ay, mali ako. Sorry. Mali ako. Akala ko kaya nila.
Defeat.
Mali. Akala ko kaya nila. Hindi ako assist sa mid. Hindi ba mali ko? Ba't pumalis na siya? Hi lang. Okay, spam lunox na tayo. Legend pero mabigat na. Hindi ah. Hindi pa mabigat, hindi lang ako marunong mag-MM. Baka naman guys. Help! Help! Gusto ko na makuha to. Help! Grabe. Yung mga tabi ng pwedeng bingo ah. 1, 2. Ito sa number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Hindi pa rin makuha. Hindi ko pa rin makuha. Ay, wala mo ito pero. Kaya yan nga pa sa ganyan guys. Lahat yan, murang way lang para makuha. Eh ngayon, wala na akong parang left na parang murang way. Wala na, kailangan ko na siya mag-full draw. Which is sakit. Hindi ko kaya. Ito alam ko, meron po sa cover 10. Yeah, cover 10. Last game, pambawi ko na ano. Dangerous grass. Ay, gago. Mali.
Your team is banning.
Ay, hindi yan. Wala pa kasi.
Your team is banning.
Ayaw niya. Marunong mag-MB. Hindi ako marunong mag-XP. Ngayon siya.
My mission is to protect
Be the
lives.
hero.
Payback time.
Who said there are no shortcuts in life? I literally invented one.
Ginamit ko na. Magagawa ko sa'yo.
I will choose my own path.